Alright, y'all, so basically I am here at the Washateria, and I can show you where I'm at actually. This is gonna be like one of the easiest like edits I ever have to do. I hate that you can't see, like, you're seeing my bottom or whatever, but this is crazy. But I have to show you this way, so. 43 minutes, I don't know if you can see that. That minutes. So, I'm gonna do that, but I can see, they have cameras everywhere. So they're seeing me do this actually too, so it's gonna be kind of funny. But the guy that's here is really nice. Like, he was hooking, like, he'd help me out with the washer and the dryer, because I haven't been to one of these in ages. Then I have my wallet with my badge on it. My badge. They probably think I'm a fucking cop. And I'm gonna pull out these stickers, so it's gonna be like, what the fuck? But the 24th, Friday, is gonna be Tequila Day and Self-Care Day. Just this day. See that? And I missed Tattoo Day and this day. I'm gonna use them both. So hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing, but I doubt y'all can. Oh, you can see my big old stomach. Let's see this way. I'll show you what I'm doing as I go, but for right now, that's all. Hopefully y'all are doing good. Y'all can tell me else little whatever. The mic's gonna be up to like, it's up to, we're gonna just see what it does now, because it's a test of time now, because there's a fan that's right there and it's really like loud, so we're gonna check that out too, how this video comes out. So we'll see. Like I said, they're probably wondering like, what the fuck is this guy doing over here? Planning, mofos. And I'll show you what I've been doing in a little bit. I just didn't bring my stand. I usually have it and I didn't, so. I am just gonna do this side with this. Oh, I plug a sticker. There's nobody in here but me. Would I be doing this if it wasn't like that? No, I probably wouldn't. But I said, why not, right? This will be my third video this week. It's like, damn. I haven't been, like I said, I haven't been over here to one of these like since I was little. Well, not little, but I was living on my own. So living in my apartment, I had to wash and dry like downstairs. I don't have to worry about it. So I'm on the tequila one now. National Tequila Day is on the 24th as well. So this is the time that like my stickers on my hand come to hand and come to whatever, because I don't have to flip through into his book and just put it all on my hand and not worry about it anymore. And that's what I'm gonna do. Boom, got them all. Look. The funny thing is I used to love tequila. Like, loved it. Like, that was my drink of my choice. You know what? I do have scissors, actually. The small ones. Dude, I didn't take 6 minutes for this to get done. It's fucking crazy. But I'm doing it on my A6 anyway. It's not taking that long. Because they're small sheets. Oh, I cut that whole paper off. So I'm going to put some of this other stuff over here. And I'm done with both spreads. So this is the first one. This is the second one. That's it. This is this week, and that's all. That's why I usually don't do like these. I don't do them here. I don't do them on videos because they're so fast. But I figure I can just do them here since I'm at the laundromat, and I can do it here. Like, no issue with it. I brought my Sula bag. Hold on. So I brought my Sula bag with me. That's my badge and my wallet. So I showed y'all this the last video. I'm carrying around with my wallet, but I carry my badge. The reason I carry my badge before y'all say anything about or whatever, I carry it because of the whole ice thing. It's freaking me out really, really bad. And y'all know the whole situation with that. I have my Beats. I have AirPods. I do have that with me too. And I have my Sula pouch with all my stuff in it, the clips and all that. I have my wallet in there too. I just have it with me. Hold on, let me switch it back to me. But look, one more scene of in that. That's it. The car's out there. 24 hours. But I am just kind of like, can't say it doesn't freak me out because it is really freaking me out, this whole thing. Especially that they've been so close and around. It just freaks me out because it seems like they're just like targeting, like, especially people that are like by themselves. That's the scary part. So, and I'm always usually by myself too. So that's why I'm always like just worried about that. I just got these. These are super cute. They're little pills with the highlighters. So cute. My black ring. I should write on my thing, but I'll write in it when I get home. I'm liking this pen though. I would say it's probably worth the, I don't know if it's worth the money. If you can get on a discount, then get on a discount. But other than that, I have nothing really much else to do. My clothes, I don't think it's ready. It's like 30 minutes still. So, and I finished what I wanted to do here. So other than that, I'll let y'all go and see what y'all are doing. Hopefully y'all have a good day. And all that. I will probably start getting home and working on my craft room. My washer, I ordered the parts for my washer. Why did it? Wasn't it? So we're gonna fix that when it comes in 2 to 3 business days. So probably by next week. So I'm trying to get used to like being out and about and doing my stuff. But I don't know. I don't know what I think about this kind of stuff. Because I know some people would like to like coffee shops and shit. I don't know about that. I guess I went to Vida. One employee had me like overstimulated. I had to like leave. And I've never felt that way before. And I don't know if it's because of the new meds I'm on the Ritalin. I know that's what makes it happen, but I don't know. But anyway, I'll let you go. And drop your wins in the comments for the week. My win for the day is I'm enjoying actually time off. I just got out of I went, well, the place the whole washer breaking, but it's not bad, so I can't do the work. So it's not spinning. I can't complain. I have a good life. You know what I mean? Like I have a job. And all that. I have a house, I have a car. It is what it is, right? So other than that, what is going to be called my little vlog? But yeah, drop those wins in the comments. Let me know what's going on, what's happening in your life. And if you like the whole start another comments, let me know if you like that, like continue doing that. That's it, yo. Other than that, remember, don't give nobody power to run your day. And do some gratitude in the morning. And I'll see y'all again later. Talk to you later. Bye.